At Wesmarc, we believe that first impressions matter. That's why our doors arrive in a meticulously designed package. Our packaging isn't just protection. It's the first step to beautifully simple installation. Beneath the cardboard, you'll find a protective embrace, a shrink wrap that can stay on during installation, ensuring your door remains immaculate until the grand reveal our frames, like a high-end Lego set, disassembled, interlocked, and ready for action. No fuss, no confusion. Just connect the pieces. Even the tiniest details, screws, plugs, and anchor fasteners are neatly tucked inside. Simplicity is our secret weapon. It's in the minimal packing. It's the art of utility, the mastery of function in every fold, every wrap. But wait, there's more. A cardboard shield that says, "We've got you covered." Every detail matters. Every layer serves a purpose. Wesmarc Doors, where elegance meets engineering.